Rich, chargraffiad a chi o'r gêm yna llawn haeddu'r 3 pwynt?
Oedd, most definite. Da ni wedi control y gêm na, so ni gallu bod 4, 5 wrth 6 gol. So na neb wedi gallu deud dim byd. Second half, da ni wedi dechrau'n oce, wedyn da ni wedi gadael nhw nôl fewn i ddim bach. Ond wedyn, doedd nhw'n pwysio amdan yr equalize yna, da ni wedi trio ar y brec. A llawn haeddu'r win dyma ar ôl 90 minutes.
Yeah, I thought we were good, and we pressurised them all second half, and then Loch has hit one, and Joel's gone too far one side, and then it's gone in the right hand side of the goal, and then we just can't give mistakes away like that. But on the whole, in terms of chances, and that's as good as we've played going forward in terms of chances, like good chances. And George has got to score when he goes through, but goals change games, and they've capitalised on the chances that they have, and we haven't.
Josh, a massive victory this evening, that chase for European football.
Yeah, definitely. You know, every 3 point counts at the minute, and that's the aim at the back end of the season. Just get as many points as we can.
Yeah, so, you know, second spell on loan this season, Newtown and now Caernarfon, and he seemed to be enjoying himself in the yellow shirt of the Covies.
Yeah, you know, since coming in, the lads have been very welcoming. I've enjoyed playing a bit more, and hopefully it's showing on the pitch.